This is a edit video. I'm gonna use Lightroom to edit a photo I took along Lake Michigan when I was home 8 days ago now in Kenosha, Wisconsin. That AOA, we went on swans. This is not going to be a scrapbook. I look cute there. I mean, we're having fun. That's Bianca, my fiance. Okay. Anyway, yeah, we were in Kenosha, Wisconsin. This is very indicative of Kenosha, Wisconsin. We got Giannis and we got Vince Lombardi sharing a mural. Two very different people from very different walks of life. Though I guess Italian and Lombardi and then Greek. Giannis. I'm not gonna try to remember how to say his last name. I know it, but that's in macro mode. That is pretty cool. Right now, you can see just what it focuses on. Oh, good. That hair is on the weed. I was like, damn, I got hair on my screen, which you wouldn't be able to see anyway. So, yeah, I got a bunch of pews on my screen. Anyway, okay, if I say anyway one more time, we're starting over. So we went to Lake Michigan and I started just messing around. I do a lot of vertical shots just because I think that should be a whole video, like kind of the pros and cons of vertical photography in my experience so far. And this seagull was just chilling. And so I was like, thank you. You understood my purpose here. I'm not here to harm. I'm not here to really try to bother and intrude. I'm just like any photographer, here to observe. Oh, but then I was going to do this one because I like a little more water. Fuck! What am I going to do? Oh, look at that bird up there. This is the one. Okay. There's a bird up there too. 3 birds. 87 stones. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this edit. Okay. Yeah. Good. Learning life. I also do want to say, whatever royalty-free. I've been going for 15 minutes. Good God. We're gonna cut. When I say that moment on tape, I can be at 15. We're cutting. Okay. Focus. I was going to say, whatever royalty-free music you're hearing right now is not what I'm listening to while editing. I am listening to ADHD study music. I'll link it in the comments. I love it. It is pretty great. Okay, let's start by using the mask feature, and we're gonna pick the sky. There it is, sky. Yeah. All right, let's add some contrast in there. Quite a little blast. But I want to do anything those clouds. There we go. Shadows, highlights down, but get those whites up. We want those clouds. And then sometimes clarity's fun in the sky. Yeah, clarity. We'll go clarity in the sky. And then what was it going to do? Oh, also probably a line gradient, a linear gradient. God, I'm not sure everything. Okay. To like, yeah, just so it's tickling, just tickling the boat. And the bird, and we'll just do another slight exposure drop. Like that. Cool. Boom, baby. Let's see what the subject gets us. That is a girl hitting her shoes together to get the dirt off them. Looks like she's going mountain biking. It's Memorial Day weekend. I'm inside doing this. It's Memorial Day. We don't need to grab the rocks in like trying to grab the rocks. We can do another linear gradient. Flip it. Nice, just tickling. Bird and the boat, just tickling. And okay, yeah, got that highlighted. And we're gonna add a lot of texture. We're gonna add a lot of textures and a little clarity. That's good. Okay. Could I grab this as an object? Can I objectify this boat? Kinda. God, no. That didn't do it. I can just leave the boat the fuck alone. I do that. Oh, I still have it? Okay. Contrast? Yeah, contrast. There we go. Cool. If you're like, this guy doesn't know what he's doing, you're right. You're right, I just gotta mess around. And most people that see my photos, they're not photographers. And so they just say that looks good. I get no helpful feedback. Also not true. Some people are very helpful. Okay. I want to objectify the bird now. Can't see. There we are. Why would you grab all that shit? Let's back up. Okay, let's back up, buddy. Hey, Lightroom, relax. Okay, there we go. Okay, not enough the bird. Let's grab a little head and the little feet. Okay, that's that. Now that's the bird. One bird, 4 grabs. Not exposure, you dimwit. Let's bring up the highlights a little bit. Contrast a little bit. And let's just make him black. No. Well, okay, don't hate it. Yeah. Nope. Like that. Okay. Oh wait, why am I doing D8? No. Hey, shout out to the creator of the undo button. If you know him, tell him Jeff wants to say thank you, and he'll do so with his mouth. Alright, let's objectify this bird. Who is this content for? It's for me. I'm gonna watch this later. Okay, we kind of grabbed it. Unable to select an object in this image. Yeah, whatever. Your mom's an object, Lightroom. I want to bring up, and then also, we're going to add a little radiant mask. Right, is that what it's called? Radial gradient. Okay. I've thought it's a radiant mask this entire nearly year that I've had Lightroom. I thought it was a radiant mask. It's a radial gradient. We're learning, buddy. We're learning so much today. See, there's no logic to it. Absolutely, don't do that. There's no logic. I'm just kind of fucking around, enjoying it. Door slam, pigtails in the car. It's mountain biking time. No, okay, the mask is too dark. There. Did I just kind of neutral? Is everything neutral? Did I change a thing? I don't know. Oh yeah, this guy up here. You think you can get away from me? Talking for 22 minutes? Too long, Jeff. Too long. Object. Don't hate it. Let's do it. Let's just get that underbelly. And then some clarity. Yeah. Incognito bird. That the other guy's an incognito bird. I really like this. There's like lines, and let's see where we're at here. Just as I suspected, we're gonna pull this side in a little bit, maybe a lot. Maybe I want the middle. I want them to be split in the middle. Yeah, like that. Okay. I like these lines of the clouds. It's almost like they're going towards the boat. Now it reminds me of like, makes me think these little fuckers, these little seagulls, are like on the kingdom's wall, and this enemy ship is coming in. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna add some clarity to the water. Is it even water? You gotta look. You gotta be able to tell. There's water down here too, idiots. How are we doing in the deep shadows? Good. No noise. Nice. Do I want to do a lot more? Maybe I'll mess around with it a little bit. I don't really want to do any more because of the fact that this is 25 minutes long. I'm gonna spend another hour and a half. Hour and a half. Like the video itself. Well, okay. Yeah, let's just end it there. Literally no rhyme or reason for ending it. Oh wait, no, maybe I'd like that. What did I do? We do. Oh yeah, clarity. Yeah. Not texture. Okay. I don't mind texture. Not 90s X. What if we do a little bit of... No, I like it all the way up. I was thinking, well, no one else does it really all the way up. They just do a little bit here and there. Maybe there's a way to get what I want with just put the clarity up a little bit and then the highlight. Doing what I like. Doing what I like. Not what I think I'm supposed to like. You feel me? Alright, last edit. Okay, there's one little idea. I'm gonna make the brush a little bigger. Not that big. No? Okay. Back it up. Alright, gotta add the brush again. And we're gonna make the feather more. Decrease. Okay. No. A little smaller. Yeah, okay. Just kiss already. That's like what you guys are saying about me, bird. You don't think oh, that was a mistake, but it worked. Did not hit the boat. Do I want to hit the boat though? What was I just thinking? I do want to hit. I want to tickle the boat a little more than what I did with the bird. Okay, bag it up. I just fuck over it? Nice. Nice. I wish if when I got off screen, the hands up again. I don't want to be all this constant magnifying a brush outside the screen. That's the one thing. Do people use, what do you guys use, a mouse? I don't like using the mouse. Maybe I just have to give them the mouse a mouse chance. Kind of like most of the kitchen staff in Ratatouille. Was that dumb? What I did, was that dumb? You see what I'm going for, right? Maybe if I just bring it up a little bit, okay. And then a radial. Oh yeah, radial gradient. I said it right that time. I thought what I was going to say was wrong. What did I think it was? I already forgot what it was. You know what? This ADHD music is keeping me on track, so we can't complain too much. Bring it in, boys. Bring that circle in. And I'm just gonna just start saying, hey, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate if you made it this far. I doubt many of you have. I don't know what this edit's gonna be. Oh yeah, let's just keep it back. What's that look like? Back it up. See what I do. So this is another guy's. Yeah. Okay. Cool. That's some guy's profile presets. I like what it does. P32. Literally, it was in the video that he made, and he's like, P32 is the best. Block my heads. Look at that. So this is what I got it to, and his profile just makes the whites a little more contrast on that. Whatever, I see I don't like the American Idol one's too harsh. Much like Simon Cowell. I hate my jokes. We're gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna try to upload this to Lightroom, and if you want to make your own edit, go ahead and do it and send it to me or put it in the comments. I don't know how you can comment for it. Okay, this was a shit show. I enjoyed it. Took me 30 minutes to edit a photo. That's really great to hear. But hey, art takes this long. And art is a lot of great artists spend a lot of time in the dark room, on Lightroom. Thanks for watching. Let's just end it. Video. Okay. Bye.